My name is Richie Garza. Just graduated from Houston Trade Training. Helped me out a lot, as you can tell. Got a disability, but they still managed to help me out and work with me. I really recommend the school. And come on, they're waiting for y'all.
Thank you.
Who got next? All right. Name's Sun Lee. Just graduated from this class. Great school, great instructors. Low on the price right now, so hurry up and get in here, because you're going to need it. Thanks. Yeah.
How you doing? My name is Ekram. I just graduated today, and everybody was here. It's nice, and we learned a lot of stuff. Thank you.
Hola, mi nombre es José y muy contento de haber obtenido el certificado de NAC. Recomiendo las clases, muy buenas clases, muy poco tiempo. Vengan pronto.
Gracias.
نام شیرخان است. اگه می‌خواهید که زندگیتون تغییر بدین و یک مسلک نو یاد بگیرین، بهترین جای مرکز آموزشی هیوستن است. اگه می‌تربی عاید زیاد داشته باشید، زندگی بهتر داشته باشید، بهترین جای مرکز آموزشی هیوستن است. تشکر، چانس خوب. Yeah, this is because, yeah, I just if you want to change your good income.
My name is Alex Negrete. I just graduated. It's a great school, Tacoma. That's your join.
My name is Jerome Bustamante. I just graduated from this class, HVAC class. This class is awesome. Thank you.
My name is Luis Castellan. Great school, man. Fast. Learned a lot of stuff. Thank you.
My name is Benjamin Chikwe. Great school, great instructors, learned a lot of hands-on. Thank you all very much.
Randy Ray, just graduated. No, man. I like to say that it's a good school. If you're in a place where you come to school, you don't feel like you're going to school. I just had fun while I was here. Learned a lot, hands-on. Best part, you ain't got no homework right here.
Soy Juan Recaldé y me acabo de graduar ahora. Pues les recomiendo esa clase, es muy rápida y accesible y divertida también. Ok, las clases han sido muy productivas y en pocas semanas hemos aprendido bastante, casi todo lo que hace falta para poder ser un buen técnico en aire acondicionado.
Thank you.